Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about nullable types in C#. Some of the types are nullable by default, such as string, so I'm able to do something like this. I can say string test is equal to null, and compiler is not going to complain about this. But if I try to do exactly the same for the integer variable called number, compiler is going to complain, because we cannot store null inside the integer variable. So for whatever reason, it could happen that we need to store null because we are going to miss the value for the number, for example. And we can do that by making this variable nullable by adding question mark after the type. So as you can see, compiler is not complaining anymore. So now we can add basic validation for null check. We can check if number is equal to null. We want to assign 0 to that variable. So I guess that will be pretty much it for this short tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed and see you in the next one.